What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel, where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if that interests you, smash that like button, punch that subscribe button. I make videos daily, 3 videos a day, and you do not want to miss it. If it's your first time on the channel, welcome. So grateful that you're here. I promise not to waste your time, give you all stuff and no fluff. So check out the comment section below and look at the data points, look at the questions people are asking, add your point of view to the conversation today. This is all about organic videos to help us all get high credit funding. And for all of you radical marketers out there, salute. You guys are blowing up the channel. Keep liking, keep commenting all the videos. Go ahead and do it right now so YouTube keeps pushing out the video. And if you guys want to join the private Facebook group, we drop gems and credit hacks and tips every single day in there, and you can reach me directly at Instagram at Radical Marketer. So check out those links in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's get right into our video today. Today we're going to talk about Upgrade, how to get a $25,000 credit line, personal line of credit without a hard pull on your credit report, okay? I like to say no credit check, but it's really a soft pull, because a soft pull is not really a no credit check, but you checking your rate and seeing if you qualify will not hurt your credit score, okay? Now, I have a ton of data points to drop in this video. It's gonna be very random, so stick with me. I'm gonna try to keep this video under 10 minutes long. I'm gonna tell you what people are saying about it, what the data points are about it, how I would use it, how I would leverage it. It's just gonna be a little bit random. You know how these videos are. They're just full of data points, okay? Now, if you guys have Upgrade line of credit, please put in the comment section what your data points were, how much were you approved for, how has your experience been, do you regret it, do you love it? I would love to know, because there's a lot of conflicting information out there, okay? This is very similar to the late night hack with Navy Federal, okay? I'm gonna tell you what I know, you tell me what you know, and let's get into this. So basically, Upgrade is going to be no fees whatsoever, credit lines from $500 to $25,000. And this line of credit, they're gonna send you an actual quote-unquote Visa card that you can use like a credit card anywhere. So it's going to be very, very convenient for you. Now, you're going to get unlimited cash back on payments, not purchases. Remember, guys, it's the jargon in these things that you guys got to look for, because it's all marketing and a ton of nuance. It's not unlimited cash back on purchases. It's unlimited cash back on payments. Okay? That got my eye quick. 3% cash back on home, auto, and health categories. 1% cash back on everything else. Let's scroll down here and look at it, okay? Trustpilot is a good one. You guys can see that. So basically this, let's see, enjoy the flexibility of a credit card with low cost of a personal loan, okay? Use wherever Visa is accepted. All right, let's keep looking down to see if we can catch any bad jargon or read through any things here. Okay, no fee checking account with cash back. Earn up to okay, boom. All right, guys, so let's talk about this here. So as I was doing research on this, because this is an incredibly popular product right now, because lines of credit are hard to get in today's economy, and especially to get a soft pull on it. Basically, this is gonna be used like a credit card, but it's not a credit card whatsoever. Remember, it's gonna be cash back on payments, not your spending. The hard pull on a credit is going to be with TransUnion after you are pre-qualified. The soft pull is going to go off of TransUnion. The credit limit is not going to report to the credit bureau, so utilization won't be an issue. So if you get approved for the $25,000 and you max it out, based on the data points that I'm seeing on the credit bureaus and people that have had the card, they're saying it's not going to make a difference, because they're not going to actually report your credit line to the credit bureaus. The utilization won't be mixed in there. This is a really weird product. It's like a line of credit, but it's going to report like an installment loan. That's where I need a little bit more clarification from you guys as well. So people were saying that once the credit line is depleted, the $25,000, that it does not replenish itself. But I'm seeing a ton of people saying that it does replenish itself. Okay? So this $25,000 is going to be a line of credit, but it's going to report as like an installment loan on your credit report. Okay? So let's go back over this, because there's a lot of stuff going on. The soft pull will be from TransUnion. The credit line will be $500 to $25,000. The cashback will not be on purchases. It'll be on payments. I'm seeing premium credit gets approved for the highest amount. I'm also seeing that proof of income is going to be required for this. And it takes all of your purchases and creates an installment loan, which is super duper weird. I had a hard time kind of understanding this. When I called, I didn't get a lot of answers. If we look down at the bottom, we can kind of see who it's underwritten by. Cross River Bank. Now, Cross River Bank, I believe they also do Upstart, they do Best Egg, they do a lot of these type of consumer finance type of loans. Okay, now you guys want to be aware that the consumer finance accounts, they can code on your credit report and not look so hot. You always want to kind of have more bank and credit union type of trade lines on your credit report, but a lot of these Upstart, Upgrade, New Egg, Best Egg, I'm just joking. I don't know what the egg one's called on the top of my head, but a lot of these fintech type of companies that are underwritten are consumer finance accounts. Now, I want to know if you guys have had this. Basically, I'm hearing that it's like an installment loan mixed with a line of credit, but you get a credit card. So please give me some more clarity on the data points and for the entire community. They also do personal loans up to $50,000, no prepayment penalty fees, low fixed rates. You can check your rate. That's going to pull from TransUnion as well. But this is super interesting, guys. I want to know data points from all of you guys on this. Comment what your data points are, because I'm seeing people with over a 700 score with TransUnion getting a $25,000 line of credit, and they're enjoying it, and some are saying it doesn't replenish, and some people saying it does. The problem, if it doesn't replenish, then it's really not a line of credit, it's an installment loan. That's how I view it. Am I wrong? You guys let me know. But the fact that if it does replenish, then it really is a line of credit. So let me know what you guys think of it. I'll be completely honest with you on this product. I would, the fact that it's TransUnion, I would go for it and check it out. The worst thing that can happen is you don't move forward with it, but at least to check what you qualify for. If proof of income is required, then this could be shot down for a lot of people. But there's a lot of these things that they'll approve you, and you never have to give proof of income. It's more like a disclosure that you're going to sign and you're responsible for the debt. So this will be super interesting to check out. Now, I'm personally not going to go for it right now. But I would like to see if a lot of you guys are going to go for it and what the data points are, because it could be a helpful product to be able to pull the cash off of the line and fund your accounts. $25,000 is $25,000 if you get approved for it. Now, check out the loan playlist as well. I'm going to put this in the loan playlist and the line of credit playlist, but I'll be doing some really good line of credit videos coming up here, so you guys can get those as well. Remember, installment loans, personal line of credit, credit cards, they're all different. They all play their purpose. Like, comment, subscribe, join the private Facebook group. Let me know what you guys think of Upgrade. Remember, soft pull, TransUnion. You want over a 700 score. It's going to report as an installment loan, but I guess it's going to replenish. I don't know. I'm giving this video to you guys so I can get some data points on it, and I can remake the video once I get some more data points of what you guys think of it. Let me know if you guys are going to get it. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Salute.